When put to the test, what packaging will hold up? See for yourself. Welcome to the Great Northern Laminations ISTA Lab video series. Today we're testing e-commerce packaging used to ship kettlebells for home fitness, which are small and very heavy. Items like this are quickly placed inside a corrugated box with no other protection to contain the product. To prevent the kettlebell from breaking through the box, Laminations U-channel can be placed inside the box to add strength to the package. Let's compare side by side how two packages perform in our ISTA test lab using the standard Amazon drop test. This replicates the different conditions your package would potentially go through while it moves on conveyors and handled by people. Without edge protection, the kettlebell can easily break through the flaps and seams of the corrugated box. This can cause the product to get lost or potentially damage other products. By placing the Laminations U-channel inside the box, it protects the kettlebell as well as the shape of the box during shipping. Reduce damage, save time and money, improve your brand image. Contact us at Laminations.